Hi you guys, this is the video that is going to help you do your test corrections for the 8.G.8 section of the test. So remember that as you are watching this video, make sure you're taking out another piece of paper and identifying what you did incorrect when you did these particular problems. So number one, find the perimeter of the trapezoid. So in order to find the perimeter is the distance around the outside of the shape. Okay, so this is perimeter. And in order to find this perimeter, we can actually count. Let me go ahead and erase this and do it one piece at a time. We can actually count from here to here. So from 4 to -5, that is going to be 9 spaces. Okay. We can also count from here to here, which is from 7 to -5. So that is 12 spaces. We can count from here to here, which is from -5 to +10. So that is going to be 15 spaces. Okay. And then the piece that we can't actually just count is this piece right here. So in order to find this distance right here, we're going to need to create a right triangle, make this our right angle. We're going to need to count the distance from here to here, which we already know is 12. And we need to count the distance from here to here. Okay, so we know that that is 6. From 4 to 10 is 6. So this is 6, this is 12. We need to know this. 12 squared plus 6 squared equals c squared. So if I take 144, which is 12 squared, and I add 36, I get 180, and then I do the square root of 180, and I get 13.4. So that means this side right here is 13.4. So to find the perimeter, I am going to add 9 plus 12, which is 21. 21 plus 25, which is 36. 36 plus 13.4 is 49.4. That is the perimeter, 49.4. Okay. On the next one, you are finding the distance between A and G. So again, we're going to set up a right triangle. We know that the space between here is 1, 2, 3, 4. We know the space between here is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to do 4 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. So that's going to be 16 plus 16, which is 32, equal to c squared. Square root of 32 is 5.7, approximately 5.7. Okay, and then the last one, find the distance between 5, 8 and 3, -6. Give your answer in simplified radical form this time. Okay, so remember we talked about these two. These are our x values. So if we want to know the distance between these two, that's going to give us this leg right here. Okay, so in between 3 and 5, that's going to be 2 spaces. And then we have the y values. I'll go ahead and do those in another color. 8 and -6. So in between -8 and -6, that is actually going to be 14 spaces. Okay, so this is 14. That's because if this is 0 and this is 8 and this is -6, I'd have to go down 8. That's going to take me to 0. And then I have to go down 6 more. So the distance between those is actually 14. Okay. Now, this is my right angle. This is my diagonal distance I'm finding. So I do 2 squared plus 14 squared equal to c squared. 14 squared is 196 plus 2 squared, which is 4, and the square root of 200 is 10 square roots 2 in simplified radical form.